Night driving presents unique problems because Option A. The speed limit is increased at night. Option B. There are fewer cars on the roads at night. Option C. Distance and vehicle speed are difficult to judge in the dark. The correct answer is Option C. Distance and vehicle speed are difficult to judge in the dark. Question 36. Which of the following driving skills are affected by the use of alcohol and/or drugs? Option A. Alertness. Option B. Coordination. Option C. Both of the above. The correct answer is Option C. Both of the above. Question 37. If you miss your exit on the freeway, you should not. Option A. Continue on the freeway and find an alternate route to your destination. Option B. Proceed to the next exit, leave the freeway, and return to your proper exit. Option C. Back up on the road or shoulder. The correct answer is Option C. Back up on the road or shoulder. Question 38. A pedestrian starts to cross the street after the don't walk signal begins to flash. The pedestrian is in the middle of the street when your signal light changes to green. You should. Option A. Proceed if you have the right of way. Option B. Proceed if the pedestrian is not in your lane. Option C. Wait until the pedestrian crosses the street before proceeding. The correct answer is Option C. Wait until the pedestrian crosses the street before proceeding. Question 39. What is an important step in turning? Option A. Check traffic in all directions. Option B. Increase your speed. Option C. Always move to the left lane. The correct answer is Option A. Check traffic in all directions. Question 40. When changing lanes on a freeway, you should Option A. Signal for at least 5 seconds. Option B. Slow down before you start to change lanes. Option C. Assume there is enough space in the next lane for your vehicle if you signal first. The correct answer is Option A. Signal for at least 5 seconds. Question 41. If a child is riding a bicycle near your vehicle, Option A. Beep your horn. Option B. Expect the child to be in total control of the bicycle. Option C. Expect the unexpected. The correct answer is Option C. Expect the unexpected. Question 42. If you are driving on a highway next to a single broken white line marking, Option A. You cannot cross the line to pass. Option B. You may cross the line to pass and change lanes. Option C. You may only cross the line to change lanes if you are in the left lane. The correct answer is Option B. You may cross the line to pass and change lanes. Question. Railroad crossing is controlled. Continue at your regular speed. Option B. Look, listen, and prepare to stop at the crossing if necessary. Option C. Stop at the railroad tracks and wait for a signal before crossing. The correct answer is Option B. Look, listen, and prepare to stop at the crossing if necessary. Question 31. Smoking inside a vehicle with a person younger than 18 years of age is Option A, legal if it is your child. Option B, illegal at all times. Option C, not restricted by law. The correct answer is Option B, illegal at all times. Question 32. A distraction when driving is Option A, anything that causes evasive action while driving. Option B, anything that takes your attention away from driving. Option C, anything that causes you to pay more attention to driving. The correct answer is Option B, anything that takes your attention away from driving. Question 33. You must notify the DMV within 5 days if you Option A, are cited for a traffic violation. Option B, sell or transfer your vehicle. Option C, paint your vehicle a different color. The correct answer is Option B, sell or transfer your vehicle. Question 34. Adjust your rear view and side mirrors. Option A, before you start driving. Option B, whenever you need to use them. Option C, before you get into the car. The correct answer is Option A, before you start driving. Sign you. Question. Option A, are approaching a railroad crossing and should prepare to stop. Option B, will always stop at the upcoming railroad crossing. Option C, should stop and wait for a signal before crossing the railroad tracks. The correct answer is Option A, are approaching a railroad crossing and should prepare to stop. Question 11. You are approaching an intersection at the posted speed limit when the signal turns yellow. You should Option A, slow down and proceed through the intersection without caution. Option B, speed up to cross the intersection before the light turns red. Option C, stop before entering the intersection if you can do so safely. The correct answer is Option C, stop before entering the intersection if you can do so safely. Question 12. Which of the following blocks the smooth flow of traffic? Option A, slowing down to look at collision scene. Option B, avoiding unnecessary lane changes. Option C, using public transportation instead of your vehicle. The correct answer is Option A, slowing down to look at collision scene. Question 13. Which of the following factors affect an individual's absorption of alcohol? Option A, weight. Option B, height. Option C, intelligence. The correct answer is Option A, weight. Question 14. When backing up. Option A, look through the rear window. Option B, press hard on the gas pedal. Option C, rely only on your rearview mirror. The correct answer is Option A, look through the rear window. Question 15. Fatigue increases the risk of Option A, missing an exit. Option B, being late for an appointment. Option C, falling asleep behind the wheel and crashing. The correct answer is Option C, falling asleep behind the wheel and crashing. Question 16. This sign means Option A. You should slow down and move to the right lane. Option B. Stay in the right lane if you're driving slower than other traffic. Option C. Slower traffic must exit on the right. The correct answer is Option B. Stay in the right lane if you're driving slower than other traffic. Question 17.